Thrifting 101. Let's go. So this starts off even before leaving the house. You want to write down a list of what you want to buy. This saves so much time when you know exactly what you need to get and you can go just straight to that aisle. So this is what I need: some summer loose fitting pants, some shirts or tanks, and then a scarf or scarves. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to keep it simple here. And shout out to this whiteboard notebook. It's so cool. You can literally write on it, erase it, write on it. So it's like an infinite notebook. So if you're tired of rebuying notebooks, it's really cool. Also, the budget for today is $100. That is my absolute top dollar. I do not want to pass this. So with that being said, let's get going. All right, so first on my list was pants. So we're just going to go straight to this aisle. We're not going to waste any time. I really like these, but I can tell they're going to be like capris. Oh, I should probably get a cart, huh? All right, here we go. Whatever. Oh, look at these. These are fun. I don't know. We'll try. This is really cute. I might need a cart, y'all. Let me get a cart. I'll be back. Oh, we're good to go. I like this. Not too small. I like this one. Oh, I might look at dresses because that's like my weakness. I always like to get like neutral colors so you can mix and match, and people won't notice that you're wearing clothes a lot because you can make so many different combinations and stuff. But when you wear something so bright like this, you can't wear this so many times. People are gonna be like, you're wearing that a lot, you know? But when you have so many colors, like for example, this, and it's more muted with other colors, I guess there's so much going on that people won't even notice if we're wearing it so much because it's like kind of not chaotic, but just not as noticeable. So I'm guessing that's my goal here. Real quick, let me clarify what I'm trying to say here. So as a minimalist, I like to have as least clothes possible. And so I love to go neutrals because you can mix and match them and it goes great. However, if you do like a more colorful wardrobe, you can get away with doing like a pants that are multicolored like I showed, with a shirt that's, you know, a different color or whatever. And there's a lot going on and people aren't going to necessarily gonna clock it if you're re-wearing these types of clothes all the time because there's just so much going on. So I hope that makes sense. Oh my gosh, my arm hurts, bro. I did shopping try on because I have so many clothes. Look how many. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on now. So out of the 16 pants that I went to try on, only 5 made it out, and one of them is a maybe. Dresses was not on the list, but I just couldn't help myself. Fortunately, nothing caught my eye, so I was able to quickly move on. So here I'm looking for some nice modest summer shirts. Shirts don't seem to excite me as much as pants do. I don't know why, so it's kind of hard for me to find things that I like. But yeah, definitely not as fun in my opinion. If I was super out there with my fashion, this macaroni and cheese vest, not gonna lie, I would probably think about it. So now that I'm pretty much done, I want to take a look at my cart, and anything that I don't absolutely love, I need to put it back. So we gotta do process of elimination even though we're almost done. This is gonna save you so much money and prevent you from buying things that you're not like really sure about.
So it's $58.
Okay, thank you so much. I forgot my bags. So having to walk out with no bag is wild. Y'all, I was way under budget. I'm so happy about that because I do have to order a couple things from Amazon. So I wanted just to keep it under that 100 mark. So praise God. I'm excited to wash these clothes and try them on again. It always like hits different when you try it on at the house. We all forgetting our bags. So the reason that I needed more clothes was because I did a huge declutter and I need more things, right? The Walmart bag is gonna go back to Goodwill, and the bigger bags I'm gonna save for clothing swaps. So on meetup.com or Eventbrite, look up clothing swaps. They're honestly so cool and another alternative than just giving away your clothes. Okay, so this trip was definitely a success in my opinion. I was able to be out of there in less than 2 hours and I only spent 58 bucks, which is way under budget. So I'm super happy with that. One thing that I want you guys to keep in mind, this video is obviously about buying, thrifted clothing, secondhand clothing. Even though these clothes are more affordable, it is still so easy to spend way much more money than anticipated if you just go out there without a plan, okay? So definitely do the things that you saw in this video with the list. Write down how much you want to spend, like your absolute top dollar, and also a time limit. Like I didn't show it, but definitely give yourself a time because your time is so much more valuable than even money. So the things that I said in this video are definitely not just for thrifted clothes either. If you're going to the mall or going anywhere to shop, this definitely still applies. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos, click here. Until next time, God bless.